StoryBuds TV, come and see fun and rhymes for you and me.
Teddy on a picnic day, spreading jam and bread. Honey drops are sticky, falling on his head. Birdies sing around him like a choir led. Come and join our picnic, little sparrow said. Teddy pours some lemonade, sitting on the rug. A gentle breeze is blowing, ladybugs give a hug. Cookies in the basket, snug as in a mug. Teddy smiles so sweetly, warm as any hug. Teddy sees the butterflies dancing by the tree. Sunshine sparkles everywhere, happy as can be. Friends are laughing, clapping, 1, 2, 3. What a lovely picnic day, full of joy and glee.